Welcome to the channel. Here, we dive into the fascinating world of upcycling and creativity, where we transform everyday discarded materials into unique pieces of art that not only beautify your space, but also promote sustainability. Whether you're searching for DIY inspiration for your home, looking to enhance the ambience of your restaurant, or seeking engaging decor ideas for your meeting halls, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore innovative ways to use vintage tools and recycled finds, turning trash into treasure while igniting your imagination. From hands-on tutorials and step-by-step guides to tips on how to start your own craft-based business, this channel is dedicated to empowering you to unleash your creativity while making a positive impact on the environment. So grab your tools, get inspired, and let's create something beautiful together. In today's world, sustainability is not just a trend, it's a necessity. Crafting decor from recycled materials not only contributes to environmental conservation, but also opens doors to creativity and entrepreneurship. This article explores how to transform waste into unique wall decor using vintage tools and recycled finds, with applications suitable for home settings, restaurants, meeting halls, and even business ventures. Make sure to stay until the end of the video for some exciting tips and bonus content that you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed what you saw and found inspiration in our creative journey, please subscribe to the channel for more fantastic DIY projects, tutorials, and sustainable crafting ideas. We love connecting with our community, so don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about turning waste into wonderful art. Your support helps us continue to create, innovate, and inspire others to join in the journey of crafting a more sustainable future. Thank you for being here with us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Upcycling is the process of transforming waste materials into products of higher value than the original. It's an innovative way to reduce landfill waste, while also creating beautiful and functional pieces of art. When applied to wall decor, this approach offers a unique charm that can enhance any space, making it an ideal choice for homes, restaurants, and other business venues. Using vintage tools in crafting gives a rustic and authentic feel to your wall decor. Tools like old saws, hammers, and wrenches can be creatively integrated into designs. For instance, an old saw blade can be transformed into a stunning wall-mounted shelf, adding both function and aesthetic value to your space. In home settings, wall decor crafted from recycled materials can reflect personal style, while making eco-friendly statements. Families can engage in DIY projects that involve their kids, turning crafting into a fun, educational activity. For example, creating a family photo collage using old frames or wooden pallets can become a cherished centerpiece in the living room. Restaurants thrive on creating an inviting atmosphere. Unique wall hangings made from recycled materials can play a significant role in crafting this ambience. Imagine dining in a space adorned with art made from repurposed bottles, metal scraps, or reclaimed wood. This not only captivates customers, but also aligns the restaurant with sustainable practices, attracting eco-conscious patrons. In a meeting hall, wall decor sets the tone for professionalism and creativity. Unique pieces crafted from vintage tools can serve as conversation starters. Using components like old gears and mechanical parts can give a steampunk aesthetic that intrigues visitors. This artistic approach can enhance the overall branding of the hall, making it memorable for events. The trend of upcycling can also generate income. Crafting unique wall decor items as a small business venture provides endless opportunities. Hosting workshops to teach others how to create similar pieces can also be a lucrative niche. combining artistry with entrepreneurship. The appeal of handcrafted, sustainable decor can attract a loyal customer base. In today's digital age, showcasing your creations on social media platforms can spark interest and drive sales. Beautiful photos of your wall decor made from recycled materials can resonate with audiences. Engaging content that highlights the crafting process can build a community of like-minded individuals interested in sustainability and creativity. Finding materials for upcycling projects can be easier than one might think. Local thrift stores, flea markets, and even your backyard can be treasure troves for items that can be transformed into art. Engaging with your community to source old tools and materials not only reduces waste but also encourages local networking and creativity. Another significant advantage of crafting unique wall decor is the ability to customize. Business owners can create bespoke designs tailored to their brand image, creating a cohesive aesthetic that enhances the customer experience. Personalized wall hangings can also make memorable gifts, adding more value to your creations. Hosting workshops where people can come together to learn about crafting wall decor can foster community spirit. These gatherings promote shared experiences and learning opportunities, while encouraging sustainable practices. Participants leave not only with newfound skills, but also with their own handmade creations. In conclusion, crafting wall decor from recycled materials and vintage tools is more than just a creative outlet. It's a powerful way to promote sustainability, build community relationships, and generate income. Whether in homes, restaurants, or business venues, unique wall hangings made from waste materials can transform spaces and minds, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching our videos. Your support means the world to us, and we hope you found inspiration and joy in the creative projects we've shared. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated with our latest DIY tutorials and fun crafting ideas. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the love for sustainable art and creativity. Your engagement helps us grow our community and continue bringing you fresh and exciting content. We appreciate you being a part of our journey, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.